Check the floor for any problems after receipt. Leave the floor in place for 24 hours. The floor needs to be carefully cleaned before installation. Prepare the included tools. Start laying the floor. 8-10 mm expansion joints need to be reserved on the wall. Install the short side of the floor first. Then raise the floor slightly upwards at an angle of 15-25 degrees until it engages. Gently tap the edge of the floor with a hammer. The specially designed lock will automatically buckle. Flooring can be cut with a utility knife. After cutting, it can be broken from the opposite direction.